Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to customize your Shopify homepage to make it look professional and tailored to your brand. Your homepage is the first thing customers see, so let's make sure it's visually appealing and optimized for conversions. Let's dive right in. To get started, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are in, click on online store in the left hand menu. Then click themes. This is where you will manage all your themes and customizations. Let's go ahead and click on customize to start editing your homepage. Here we are in the theme editor. On the left hand, you will see the section of your homepage. This section allows you to customize different elements such as your header, featured products, collections, and more. You can click into each section to modify its content, layout, and style. On the right, you will see a live preview of your homepage, so you can see the changes you make in real time. Let's start with the header. Click on the header section on the left to begin editing. Here you can upload your logo and adjust its size. You can click theme edit settings. You can also edit your navigation links and even add buttons like shop now, contact us, to make it easier for customers to navigate your store. Don't forget to review the color scheme for your header to match your brand colors. Next, let's move on the hero section, which is typically the first thing visitors see when they land on your homepage. This section usually includes a large image or slider as well as call to action. To edit the hero section, click on the image with the text. Then select image from your computer. You can upload a high quality image or use a slideshow to showcase your best products or promotions. You can also add text like a headline or slogan and a CTA button like shop now. Or learn more. Make sure the text is clear and the CTA stands out, encouraging visitors to take action. Now let's add some product collection to your homepage. Scroll down to the section where you want to uh, feature your collections like that. Click on it, feature collection. Select collection. Or featured products depending on what you want to showcase. Once you have added it, select the collections you want to feature, like your top selling products or seasonal collections. Just go to your dashboard and products and add your products from here like that. Click add product. Next, let's customize the footer, which typically contains import important links like your contact information, social media icons, and policies. Go back to Shopify online store. Click on the footer section. To start editing, here you can add links to your privacy policy, shipping information, subscribe to our emails, FAQs, and more. You can also add icons linking to your social media accounts. So customers can follow you. If you want to add any other sections like a newsletter, sign up, or testimonials, you can do that by clicking add section again. Just click on add section and email sign up like that. Once you have customized all the section, take a moment to preview your website homepage. Make sure everything is aligned, the text is legible, and the CTS are working. Like that. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, and comment below if drop any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.